In this video, we are going to go over how to upload your PPR and your PFR. So in addition to submitting the quarterly narrative report, partners will also need to submit the PPR and the PFR. So to do that, you're going to come up here and click on the Provider Info tab, which looks like a file folder. And then you're going to click on the File Uploads tab. You're going to filter for project. We're going to click on Apprenticeship Illinois. And then you'll want to click on your provider name. And then you're going to click on Upload File. For the PPR, you will want to come in and select the specific category of performance report. And then you're going to come in and choose the file from your desktop. And you can see in this example, I have used the naming convention of PPR dash and then the time frame that this runs for, so that when we upload this, it's going to make it easier to keep them organized as they're uploaded. Next, you'll want to provide a short description. The best practice is to include a description so readers can understand what the document is about without needing to open it. So I'm just going to type in description, but again, you'll want to include a description that's detailed so that readers know what it is without having to open the document. And then you're going to click the upload button. And you can use the up and down buttons to filter by date. And I can see here that the PPR has been uploaded, and that file name shows me that it's the PPR from January 1st, 2026 to March 1st, 2026. Again, your dates might be a little different, but just for demonstration purposes, those are the dates that I used. And then your detailed description would be here. We can see it's the category performance report, and we can see who uploaded it. If it was not uploaded correctly, you can always click remove and do it again. We are going to do the same thing to upload the PFR. So we're going to click upload file. And for the PFR, we are going to click fiscal report. You're going to choose the file from your desktop. I used the same naming convention for the PFR. You'll want to provide a detailed description as well, and then click upload. And that is how you upload the documents for the PPR and the PFR.